Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make your Acura TL faster. To truly boost your Acura TL's performance, you'll want to focus on a combination of engine enhancements, improved handling, and strategic weight reduction. These modifications work together to create a more responsive and powerful driving experience. We'll cover specific upgrades that deliver noticeable results, transforming your car's capabilities on the road. For a significant power boost, start with engine upgrades. A high-flow cold air intake allows your engine to breathe better, potentially adding 5 to 10 horsepower. Next, a performance exhaust system reduces back pressure, further improving engine efficiency and sound. For the most dramatic gains, consider forced induction, such as a supercharger or turbocharger, which can increase horsepower by 30% or more, transforming your Acura TL into a true performer. Beyond raw power, enhancing your Acura TL's handling and braking is crucial for a faster, safer ride. Upgrading to coilovers allows you to fine-tune your suspension for better cornering and a lower center of gravity. For stopping power, larger brake rotors and multi-piston calipers provide a significant improvement over stock. Additionally, a stiffer rear sway bar will reduce body roll, making your car feel more planted and responsive through turns. Finally, don't underestimate the impact of weight reduction. Removing non-essential items from your trunk or interior can shave off valuable pounds. Swapping to lighter alloy wheels also reduces unsprung mass, which improves acceleration, braking, and handling. These small changes add up to a noticeable difference in performance. Remember to check the description for a link to darn tough socks and other great deals to enhance your driving experience and comfort.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.